Hey, what's going on everyone? This is Marlon from Marley Mac Media, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can do some conversions of your Apple loops and possibly other audio files to WAV so you can use them in pretty much any program. So you might want to do this because if you've got Logic Pro X or Garageband, I believe you do get a library with a lot of loops that are really good. What I find is that you can't use these loops in any other program easily because they have a specific file extension, which is .caf, as opposed to like a WAV or some other common file extension. So I've got a folder here with some Apple loops in them, which pretty much are standard audio if you play them back. So I now need to convert these to WAV, and the way I'm going to do this is by using a free piece of software called Audacity, which I've got open on my desktop here. Audacity, you can grab it from this website, which is audacityteam.org. It's open source software, so you don't need to pay anything for it. Once you've loaded up Audacity, you need to import your file into it by clicking File and Import and navigating to where your file is located. So I've got the folder open already because I previously went into it. I've selected the file that I need there and clicked open, and it loads it up. So to convert this, all you need to do now is go back to File and Export Audio, and you can go ahead and select WAV as the file type down here. You've got a whole list of different formats as well. I'm going to go ahead and save it in the same folder, and you will see here it asks you for metadata, but you don't need to put that in if you don't want to. I'll just say OK to that, and a new file has just popped up, and it has the WAV extension. So that's the exact same file as that one, except the extension is different. I'm going to go ahead and get rid of that because I'm going to show you something else. If you want to batch process and have like a whole bunch that you want to apply this to, you don't necessarily need to do it one by one, because Audacity has a really nice feature called chains, and what that is basically automation to apply certain processes to a whole bunch of files. So what you want to do is go back to File and hit Edit Chains, and in this window here you'll have a list of presets on the left. It might come with a couple presets already. For example, this MP3 conversion, if you click on that, you'll see what happens is it first normalizes the audio, then it exports it as MP3, and then the third thing is to end the process. I've already added a conversion from CAF to WAV over here. I've just noticed that I've spelt conversion wrong. Forgot my N. So that's already there, and I'll just show you how you can quickly add this option in there, because you won't have it by default. So you just go down to where it says add, click on that and put a name in. So we'll just call this test 2, as I've done another test previously, and it automatically enters one process, which is the end process. You need to add one process before that by clicking insert down here and just finding whatever you want to apply in this window here. In my case, I want to apply an export WAV. So I apply that, click that and select OK. If you notice, it's popped up here now. I'm going to go ahead and save or click OK. And in order to process the whole folder with these items here, I'm going to go to File, and instead of Edit Chains, we're going to hit Apply Chain. And from this list, which is the list we saw earlier, this is the one we created where it says test 2. I'm going to go ahead and click Apply to Files. Okay, click that, navigate to the folder, which I've got here anyway already. You want to highlight all the files, click Open, and it's already done it. If you notice over here in this Finder window, we've got a new folder which automatically was created by Audacity. Inside this folder, we've got all the copies of the files that we converted, but they're all in WAV, and pretty much that saves us a lot of time if we use that batch processing function there. So if this video has helped you out, please remember to hit the thumbs up button to say that you like the video, And also, if you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing so you don't miss out on all the excellent videos I've got coming out. I do videos pretty much every week on audio and video production, as well as some digital design. So thanks for watching. Take care. This is Marlon signing out.